Alright guys, so before you go skiing, I think everyone should have chains. At least it's a requirement in Northern California. No matter if you have four-wheel drive and good tires, you must carry chains in your car, at least for 2 out of 4 wheels.
I think another must is a new or almost new mud and snow tires with a really good grip, so you don't have to go put the chains, because chain control people tell you to.
Basically, if you have good enough tires and four-wheel drive, they will let you go. Another thing what I found really useful is portable air pump. So in case the pressure drops in the mountains, you can add some air into it. Wheel chocks in case you need to change a spare tire. I got one of these in case you just catch a nail or screw in the middle of nowhere. And then something like this. Fix it flat, $10. In case you're stranded on Highway 50, 88 or 80 in the middle of nowhere. A lot of places there is no cell phone reception there, and you should have spare tire and a jack. My BMW didn't have one. It had run flat tires, which I changed them to regular Michelins, but you should have a jack and a tire repair kit just in case. Another thing, gloves, so you can work with. Mask if you have to talk to someone who comes to tow your car, and then ice scrapers